Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
I actually find it very difficult to write a love story anymore. I think I've lost that innocence, which I had when I wrote Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or Kal Ho Na Ho. For some reason, I'm feeling my love scenes that I write seem very synthetic and artificial. So whenever I read a truly, organically, honest love story, it always moves me to make it. When I read Vinil's script that has been scripted by his friend Harsh as well, I was...
Where is Harsh? Harsh can come on. He's here. He's come on stage. Come.
I was completely bowled over by the quirkiness and yet the moving quality that the screenplay had. It was quirky, it was kind of off the cuff, yet it moved me towards the end. And that really happens, you know. The quirkiness was phantom and the slight tear in the eye in the end was dharma. So I felt that eventually it was really a grand collaboration and no better script could justify this combination of producers better than Hasi To Basi.
I think story behind was the story itself. I think that's what the character needed, and we didn't try to kind of think of a look and then fit it into the film. I think organically that was what was required, and we just went along with that. I think they were sporting enough to try out something different, and that was what you saw right now.
हाँ मेरे लिए हंसाना मतलब well of course I think हंसना is always a positive thing when a girl laughs. So in school we all try to do funny stuff, trying to impress them with stupid stuff. I remember when I was in school we used to play basketball. I used to play basketball for my school team, and that time we used to pretend to have injuries to get importance from girls. I was lucky enough to go from all boys school to a co-ed school in 11th and 12th. Then not to all girls, no. From all boys to then co-ed. So yeah, in school and after basketball के बाद when इतना सा भी खरोच लगता है, then to pretend that it's a big deal, and when I was scoring and somebody hit me and all that, I think we've done all the.
सब बकवास है. सिड के केस में जब वो हंसता है तो लड़कियां फंसती हैं. Normally उल्टा होता है कि लड़कियां जब हंसती हैं तो हमने उसको फंसाया होता है. But इसके केस में सब लट्टू थी, even set पे. Don't be modest. अरे हाँ बहुत कुछ. ट्रेलर में सिर्फ हम लोग एक टीजर दिखाते हैं पिक्चर का, हम लोग पूरा नहीं दिखाते हैं. एंड आई कैन अश्योर यू जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो इस सब मैडनेस के पीछे रीज़न क्या है, इसकी मैडनेस और मेरी मैडनेस का, वो आपको बहुत बड़ा एक सरप्राइज मिलेगा. एंड द फिल्म हैज़ मच मोर देन व्हाट वी कैन शो इन अ ट्रेलर. ट्रेलर सिर्फ 2 मिनट का होता है. सो आई अश्योर यू जब आप पिक्चर देखने आएंगे तो आपको बहुत बड़ा एक सरप्राइज मिलेगा.
ये मतलब अपील ही नहीं कर दी. मैंने साथ में काम भी किया है स्क्रिप्ट में. ये बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कभी अपील नहीं की. मैं वो आदमी हूँ जो सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी देखता है बैठ के और रोता है साथ में. तो ये फिल्म थी ऐसी जिसने हंसाया, और जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी पहली बार एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ इट यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी इमोशनल.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.